Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're planting an Envee kit. This tutorial is for the Josephine. So this is one of the designs that my daughter Paige made a few years ago. So an Envee kit is a shallow dish. This is a plant pie dish that we plant into, and the kit is a solution for you to have a beautiful custom looking planter that is just ready to go. So when you come into the garden center, this will be full and beautiful, and you just take it home, scoop it out, transplant it into your planter at home. So it's pretty easy. What we're gonna do to get started is I have it filled with our potting mix. I'm going to put some fertilizer on top. This is a slow release fertilizer and we do carry it in store. Next is to water it. We always water our containers just prior to planting. That way it's easier to get the plugs level. So when we plant things here at the garden center, we're starting from a little plug like this. At home, you would be starting from probably a 2.5 inch anywhere to 4.5 inch to make your pots. Okay, that should be ready now. So this combo has 9 plants in it, and it has 2 of these geraniums. This is a tall, dark, and handsome orange. It's an orange colored, tall, dark, and handsome geranium. And this is very young. They just arrived, and often when geraniums come out of the box, they have a bit of red or yellow color to the leaf. This will darken to a beautiful chocolatey green with a lime edge. So it's a really beautiful geranium. It is a climbing type of geranium, so it will grow quite tall. Now you can put a cage on it, or you can just let it spill over. So we're putting 2 of those fairly close to the center. The next plant we have, this is an Osteospermum. Osteos, we generally call them Osteos because it has a long name. This is called Gelato Peach, and it's just a really beautiful color with some pinks, some creams, and some orangey colored hues. And this Josephine mix has a lot of the orange, red, that burnt burgundy color, yellows, really pretty. So I put that again really close to the front there. Now on the other side of that, right in the middle, I'm going to add the straw flower. So this is a cottage lemon straw flower. It is more compact than the old type, so it'll grow about this high. Be a really nice blend. I would say it takes up about an 8-inch circumference. Beautiful flowers all season. So the next 2 plants we have are Calibracoas. This is a mango Calibracoa, and this one is an orange Calibracoa. And I'm just gonna try to put them on opposite sides. I've got yellow here with the straw flower, so I'll put yellow over on this side. The exact order we plant these isn't as important because it will just fill in really beautifully. So the next plant we have here is a coleus. So this is a redhead. It came out of the box looking kind of shabby, but I am going to stick it over here by the straw flower. Our next plant, there's no blooms on it or any color yet, but this is a Machia. It's an orange colored Machia. And again, we're just tying in with those reds, oranges, the burnt burgundy, yellow colors. So I'm going to put that one over here. It will fill in really beautifully. And we have one final plant. This is a vine. We got these a while ago and transplanted them into their final container, but I do need to unplant them because we forgot to hold them. That happens sometimes. And it's called Machia Hillier Sunburst. So Machia is commonly called the creeping Jenny. This one is a different type. See how big the leaves are? They're quite big, like compared to my hand. And they can go in full sun, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna squeeze it in over here on the edge. This Machia will get quite full, and you'll see a sprinkling of it probably throughout the whole basket as it grows. So this is the Josephine, and it's only going to be like more and more beautiful as these blooms pop open. It's gonna be so pretty. So the final thing we do is we have our little stick. So when you do come to the garden center, this is how they'll be displayed. Got that right? Okay. There we go. Ready to go. Thanks, guys.